Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, I'm glad you stopped by. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest mobile game tutorials, hacks and tips we're dropping all the time. In today's video, I'll show you an insanely simple way to get unlimited gold and diamonds with Flex City Hack. No computer required and absolutely no need to root or jailbreak your device. I tried it myself and yeah, the resources showed up in no time. Let me take you through the process step by step. It's easier than you think. To kick things off, you'll need your player ID from Flex City. Open the game, head to your profile section, and look for your ID. It's usually a mix of numbers and letters unique to your account. Take a screenshot or write it down so it's ready for the next step. All set? Cool, let's move on. Now grab your mobile browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you're using, and go to the site featured in this video. Once you're on the site, search for Flex City Unlimited Gold and Diamonds Hack and click the link to the generator page. Super simple. Let's keep going. Now you'll see a quick form once you land on the generator page. Select your platform, Android or iOS, and paste in that player ID you saved earlier. Give everything a quick check to make sure it's accurate, then hit proceed. The tool will link up with your account in just a few seconds. It's secure, protected by encryption and proxy layers, so you're good to go. Now it's time to choose how much resources you want to add to your account. Pick the amount that works best for you and hit proceed. Behind the scenes, the system is handling everything, encrypting, syncing, and verifying with the servers, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Almost done now. Before the tool can finish, you'll need to pass a quick human verification step. This is just to make sure you're a real user, not a bot. Usually, it involves downloading a free app and following a simple task, like using it for a minute. Not sure what to do? Don't worry, there's usually a guide or video right on the page to walk you through it. Once you've completed that, you're good to go. That's it. Jump back into Flex City and check your gold and diamonds balance. It should be there, ready to use. I've tested this myself and had zero issues. No waiting, no nonsense, and best of all, no spending. And there you have it, a full step-by-step on how to quickly and safely boost your account with unlimited gold and diamonds in Flex City. If you found this helpful, drop a like on the video and share it with your friends who could use a boost too. Got stuck or need help? Leave a comment below. I'm in the replies regularly and happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell icon so you're the first to see what's next on the channel. Thanks for watching. Have fun out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.